Hey everybody, it's day 29 of our summer sketches, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a carrot using the letter V. So here we go. We're going to start with the letter V, and I'm going to draw mine just a little bit to the side. And this is going to be a tall and skinny letter V. Boop. All right. I'm not even going to use a pencil today. I'm just going to go for it. We're going to connect these top lines right there, and we're gonna draw some of the leaves up at the top of the carrot. I'm gonna give it some eyes, one eye there. Why am I giving the carrot eyes, you ask? Because it makes it cute, of course. Look at this little carrot. And there's some lines for the carrot, and guys, it's that simple. Let's give it some color. This is definitely one of the more simple drawings, so I hope you give it a try. You can do it. I hope you guys have been enjoying these summer sketches. I have been enjoying drawing them and teaching you. I think it's so much fun. And look at that, you guys, a cute little carrot just for you to draw. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch. Just going back in, kind of making the coloring a little more even. It looks nicer. Not as jagged lines. Oh my gosh, I love this carrot, so adorable. Ta-da!